Hey guys, Romeo here with Romeo's Relics. Today I'm going to introduce the new project for the channel. So it's actually a 94 Nissan Hardbody pickup truck, but for some reason one of the previous owners installed a Pathfinder front end, which I absolutely hate. But wanted to go over it real quick and let you know what my plans are, and this will be a build series. So here it is. It's XE and it's the V6 4x4 manual. If you don't know already, it is 3 different colors, which is it's all right, I guess, for now. But here's what we're gonna do. He's got new fenders on the front, which is cool. Then it's got this gray color, which is not really working, and then a blue topper. So we got literally 3 different colors. Interior is not too horrible, but not really good. No power windows, no power door locks. Missing the clamshell. He's got this switch down here for the little LED light strip he has up front. It's also missing a jump seat in the back. So here's the things that I want to do to it, and let's just go over some of them real quick. Okay. First of all, grill. Let's put that 93 to 97 grill on it. I'm not a big fan of the Pathfinder grill at all. Might as well put LED lights in there as well. Don't know if we're gonna get fog lights, but sure, maybe, why not, right? Paint. I'm gonna attempt to paint this myself. It's gonna be a great learning experience. I'm gonna paint the whole thing. I would like to dismantle most of it and paint it separately. I think that'll be pretty cool. So there's 2 different keys to get in this car. One for the doors, one for the ignition system. I've already ordered a set of keys. It's 2 keys, and it's the door locks, both of them, and the ignition switch. So I'd like to get that as well. The topper, there's no keys to them. I'm gonna order some new ones, install them. That should be easy install, kind of quick. The rear bumper has got some bumps and scrapes. I'll see if I can get one. Got a pretty big bump right there. I'd like to see if I can't pull that dent out. The tail lights I don't like. Those are just the stock Nissan ones. They make LED ones that look gorgeous. I'd like to get those. The trip odometer does not work. Neither does the odometer. And also the speedo kind of jiggles, and that's a common thing for this Nissan. So I don't want to buy a new bezel. I want to change this bezel. So I'm sorry, I want to fix this bezel. So for some reason none of this stuff works. So I gotta clean this interior. This interior is absolutely horrible. It's just nasty. So I'm gonna completely clean it. I'd like to make it look pretty clean and pretty nice. And they make cup holders for here, because this car does not have cup holders, and it's ridiculous. This radio is not bad. It works, and the speakers are decent, but I'd like to put a better, more up-to-date speaker system in here and head unit. Maybe get some Apple CarPlay going, and navigation, because that's pretty standard. Like, who doesn't want that? I think I'll also put something in here. You can hardwire something that tells you the volts, and you can charge your phone via USB. I'll get that in there. The seats, the passenger seat is okay, but the driver's seat is not. And this driver's seat, you may not be able to tell, but it's cocked a little bit this way. I'd like to fix that. I've done it before on one of my older ones. The headliner, classic Nissan pickup truck headliner sag. And once I'm in here, I might as well fix all these lights. They're incandescent, they're horrible, I can't barely see it. So might as well change all these lights to LEDs. Very simple. 1, 2, 3 lights here, I'm gonna have this bezel out, right? Might as well change all these to LEDs as well. Cruise control, it has cruise control, but it doesn't work. So let's figure that out. The shifter, not a fan of this right here. Let's get the original Nissan or a cool aftermarket one. Maybe I can make my own. That'd be pretty cool. The clamshell, we already discussed that for the steering wheel. That would be nice to not look like I stole it everywhere I go. The jump seat I told you is missing. I don't know if it's missing or just this this piece right here. Either way, I'll figure it out and fix it, get it. And the carpet, I'd love to either clean it out or get a new one if I can. So this will be my project. I'm very excited about it. It's got some pretty decent rims, BF Goodrich tires. I think they're the all-terrains. I'm not sure, but they're pretty good. So overall, gonna be a very easy, I think, time-consuming but very easy car to play with. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, and if there's anything that you would like to suggest that I should do, let me know. Again, it's got the V6. There's really nothing wrong with the engine or the transmission, so there's really no need for me to attempt to fix anything engine-wise. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Again, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and let's have some fun on this series.